You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from French, so Welsh pronunciation and English pronunciation. It's a cuddle or a hug. It's also a cupboard or cubbyhole. Cwtch is how it's said in Welsh, in Wales. Welsh pronunciation, Cwtch. In English, similarly, Cwtch. You can say, some say it also as Cwtch, but it's more Cwtch. Cwtch. It's easy. Cwtch. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.